Hey everybody, I'm Ashley Helton, the Manager of Technical and Training here at E-Z-Go. Welcome back to Ask Ashley, where I answer your questions. Today we're talking gifts because let's be honest, shopping for a golf cart lover can be tricky. But don't worry, I've got the ultimate E-Z-Go gift guide just in time for the holidays. First up, golf cart covers. I don't know about you, but I hate getting rained on. This keeps your golf cart protected from sun, rain, and whatever else Mother Nature throws your way. Need more room for gear? Our cargo racks are perfect, especially the ones that hold 4 golf bags. If you're on the course regularly, this is a must-have. You can brighten things up with the Deluxe LED Light Kit. Easy to install, super bright, and available on TXT and RXV models. Not only do they look good, they're stylish too. And if you really want to turn heads, check out our underglow lights. These light up the ground underneath your cart. It's like a party on wheels. Speaking of a party on wheels, what's a ride without some music? The Eco X Gear 28-inch Elite speaker is waterproof, features LED lights, and even comes with an app to control it. If you're looking for more, go big with the modular overhead infotainment center, complete with touchscreen technology, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capabilities. With an E-Z-Go in your garage, friends are constantly going to be asking for rides, so it's good to have some extra room for them. We offer standard, premium, and signature seating styles to fit your cart. Well, that's easy. The best gift for a golf cart lover is a new golf cart. You can visit EZ-GO.com and use the dealer locator to find a dealer near you. Also on the website, you can use the builder to create a custom golf cart of your own. All the parts and accessories in this video can be found on shopEZ-GO.com. Thanks for spending the time with me today. Be sure to leave any questions in the comments below. I'll see you next time on Ask Ashley.